Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make corn and crab bisque using an easy method. First, melt 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a large pot over medium heat. Add 1 cup of chopped yellow onion, 1/2 cup of diced celery, and 1/2 cup of diced green bell pepper. Sauté these vegetables for about 5 to 7 minutes until they are tender and fragrant, creating a wonderful foundation for our bisque. Next, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour over your softened vegetables and stir for 1 minute to cook out the raw flour taste. Slowly whisk in 4 cups of chicken or vegetable broth, making sure there are no lumps. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring occasionally. Let it cook for about 10 minutes, allowing the bisque to thicken beautifully and develop its creamy texture. Now for the stars of our dish. Stir in 2 cups of fresh or frozen corn kernels and 8 ounces of delicious lump crab meat. Pour in 1 cup of heavy cream and add a dash of your favorite hot sauce for a little warmth. Gently simmer for about 5 minutes, just long enough for the flavors to combine and the crab to heat through without becoming tough. This ensures a tender, flavorful bisque. Finally, taste your bisque and adjust the seasonings. Add 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, and a tiny pinch of cayenne pepper if you like a bit more heat. Ladle the warm bisque into bowls and garnish with fresh chopped parsley or chives. This easy method delivers a rich, creamy, and incredibly flavorful corn and crab bisque that is perfect for any occasion. Enjoy your delicious creation.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.